Tonight we'll be working out with Abby Sanity. We'll start our workout with tricep extension. Okay, just watch. We're done with tricep extension. We can now proceed to pushing movement like, I don't know, like chest or something. Let's go.